How to clear YouTube cache on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clear YouTube cache. Clearing cache from any app is a very simple process on iPhone. Firstly, go to your settings. In settings, go to the general option. Inside general, click on software update and check for any software updates that may be available for your device. After that, go back to your previous page. Now from the general interface, click on the option iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, search for the YouTube app. Click on YouTube app and select Offload app. After clicking on Offload app, all the unnecessary data from YouTube will be deleted. Select Offload app from the bottom to clear your cache. By following this same process, you can clear cache of any app. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.